You have a job and you're doing it good. Well, that's great. But what if you don't get enough customers? Have you ever thought about advertisement that actually works? Not this one. Nowadays, a website or an application gets thousands of viewers a year. And it means with less time and budget, you can have more customers and benefits. And here's where our experts come in. From building a website to creating a huge audience for your networks, you can count on us. Think about it. You can expand your business more and more and more. Grow your career with us.